Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync music with video in Capcut. First, open Capcut and import your video footage and the music you want to use. Drag both the video clips and the audio track onto your timeline. Position the audio track directly beneath your video layers. Now, listen carefully to your music and identify the main beats or rhythmic changes. These will be the points where you'll want to make your video cuts or transitions, creating a dynamic and engaging flow for your project. Let's get started. Capcut offers a fantastic feature to help you sync your video to music: beat markers. Select your audio track on the timeline, then look for the match cut option. Clicking this will automatically place markers at the detected beats in your music. While Capcut's automatic detection is quite good, you can always fine-tune these markers. Drag them to adjust their position or add new ones manually if there are specific musical accents you want to highlight that the auto feature missed. This precision ensures your video perfectly matches the rhythm. Once your beat markers are in place, it's time to align your video. Drag your video clips so that their cuts or transitions fall precisely on the beat markers. You can easily trim or split your video segments right at these points to create a powerful visual rhythm. Don't forget to experiment with clip speed. Sometimes slowing down or speeding up a segment can dramatically enhance the sync with a particular musical phrase. This step is crucial for making your video feel cohesive and professional, truly dancing to the music. For an even more polished look, consider advanced syncing techniques. Incorporate sound effects that complement your video actions, like a whoosh for a fast transition or a thud for an impact, all timed to the music. Also, explore different transitions that naturally flow with the musical changes, enhancing the overall mood. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment. And speaking of things that last, check out the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you for the comfort and durability. Keep creating amazing videos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.